Imagine this. You're driving on the highway. Everything feels normal. The engine is running smoothly. Then suddenly, your car starts losing power. You press the gas pedal harder, but the car barely responds. The engine begins to sputter. And before you know it, you're stuck on the side of the road. Here's the shocking part. One of the most common causes of this problem is a tiny part that most drivers never think about, the fuel filter. And when it gets clogged, it can slowly choke your engine until your car simply refuses to move. The good news? You can actually diagnose a clogged fuel filter before it becomes a major problem. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. Fuel filters are one of the most overlooked parts of a car's fuel system. Most people only think about them when the vehicle stops running. But the truth is, your fuel filter plays a critical role in keeping your engine healthy. Its job is simple. It removes dirt, rust, and debris from the fuel before it reaches your engine. Without it, contaminants could damage sensitive components like fuel injectors and fuel pumps. But over time, the filter itself becomes full of those contaminants. And when that happens, fuel can't flow properly to the engine. This creates a long list of frustrating symptoms. In this video, you'll learn how a fuel filter actually works, the most common signs of a clogged fuel filter, simple tests you can do to diagnose the problem, and how to tell the difference between a clogged filter and other fuel system issues. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look for, and you might even save yourself from a very expensive repair. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's begin. Understanding what a fuel filter actually does. Before diagnosing a clogged fuel filter, it helps to understand what it does. Think of your car's fuel filter like the water filter in your home. When water passes through the filter, it removes impurities. Your car's fuel filter works the same way. As fuel travels from the gas tank to the engine, it passes through the filter. Inside the filter is a fine mesh or special filtering material designed to trap contaminants like dirt, rust particles, sediment, and debris from the fuel tank. Without this filter, those particles could clog fuel injectors or damage the fuel pump. So, in many ways, the fuel filter is protecting some of the most expensive parts of your engine. But here's the catch. Every particle the filter captures stays inside the filter, and over time, those particles build up. Eventually, the filter becomes restricted, and when that happens, fuel flow to the engine becomes limited. This is when the problems begin. Common signs of a clogged fuel filter. A clogged fuel filter rarely causes immediate failure. Instead, the symptoms usually appear gradually. Let's go through the most common signs. 1. Loss of engine power. This is often the first noticeable symptom. When your engine needs power, it requires more fuel. But if the fuel filter is clogged, the engine doesn't get enough fuel. The result? The car struggles to accelerate. You press the gas pedal, but the car feels slow or weak. Many drivers describe it as the engine feeling choked. It's like trying to breathe through a straw. 2. Engine hesitation. Another common symptom is hesitation during acceleration. You press the gas pedal, but instead of smooth acceleration, the car hesitates for a moment before speeding up. This happens because the engine briefly runs low on fuel. Once enough fuel squeezes through the clogged filter, the engine catches up, but the delay is noticeable. 3. Engine misfires. A clogged fuel filter can also cause misfires. An engine misfire happens when one or more cylinders fail to burn fuel properly. Since the clogged filter restricts fuel supply, some cylinders may not receive enough fuel. This can cause rough running, shaking, or vibrations. You might even feel the car jerk while driving. 4. Difficulty starting the car. In more severe cases, the car may become difficult to start. When you turn the key or push the start button, the engine cranks longer than usual. Sometimes it starts after several attempts, and sometimes it refuses to start at all. This happens because the engine isn't receiving enough fuel to ignite properly. 5. Engine stalling. One of the most frustrating symptoms is sudden stalling. Your car may start normally, but while driving, especially at low speeds or when stopping at a traffic light, the engine may stall. When the engine suddenly loses fuel pressure, it simply shuts off. And when that happens in traffic, it can be dangerous. Where the fuel filter is located. Before diagnosing the filter, you need to know where it is. Fuel filters can be located in several places depending on the vehicle. Common locations include inside the fuel tank, along the fuel line under the car, inside the engine bay. Many modern cars have the filter built into the fuel pump assembly inside the tank. Older vehicles usually have an external fuel filter that's easier to inspect and replace. Checking your owner's manual can quickly reveal the exact location for your car. But here's where things get even more interesting. A clogged fuel filter can actually mimic several other engine problems. Many people mistakenly replace expensive parts like fuel pumps or injectors when the real problem was just a dirty filter. So the next step is learning how to properly diagnose it. Let's walk through a few simple methods that mechanics use. If you are liking the video so far, kindly comment, like, and share this video. Diagnosing a clogged fuel filter. Method 1. Pay attention to driving conditions. One of the easiest diagnostic clues comes from how the car behaves under load. Ask yourself this question. Does the car run fine at low speeds, but struggle when accelerating or climbing hills? If the answer is yes, a clogged fuel filter is a strong possibility. Why? Because higher speeds require more fuel, and a restricted filter can't keep up with the demand. Method 2. Listen to the fuel pump. Your fuel pump pushes gasoline from the tank to the engine. When the fuel filter becomes clogged, the pump has to work harder. Sometimes you can actually hear this. When you turn the key to the on position, listen carefully near the fuel tank. You should hear a brief humming sound. If the pump sounds unusually loud or strained, it may be struggling against a clogged filter. Method 3. Check fuel pressure. This is one of the most reliable diagnostic methods. Mechanics often use a fuel pressure gauge. This tool connects to the fuel rail on the engine. When the engine runs, the gauge measures fuel pressure in the system. If the pressure is lower than the manufacturer's specification, it could mean a weak fuel pump, a leaking fuel line, or a clogged fuel filter. To confirm the filter is the problem, mechanics often check pressure before and after the filter. If pressure drops significantly after the filter, it indicates a blockage. Method 4. Inspect the fuel filter, if accessible. If your car has an external fuel filter, you can sometimes visually inspect it. Signs of a clogged filter include dark fuel residue, rust particles, heavy contamination. In some cases, simply replacing the filter restores normal engine performance, and since fuel filters are relatively inexpensive, this is often a good first step. Method 5. Check for engine trouble codes. Modern vehicles have onboard diagnostic systems. If the engine detects fuel delivery problems, it may trigger the check engine light. Common trouble codes related to fuel issues include lean fuel mixture codes, fuel pressure codes, misfire codes. Using an OBD scanner can help identify whether fuel delivery might be the issue. Why fuel filters get clogged? Fuel filters don't clog randomly. There are a few main causes. One major cause is dirty fuel. Although modern fuel stations filter gasoline, contaminants can still enter the system. Rust inside older fuel tanks is another common cause. Condensation in the tank can also lead to sediment buildup. Over time, all those particles accumulate inside the filter. That's why manufacturers recommend replacing fuel filters at specific intervals. Ignoring that maintenance can lead to serious problems later. Real-world example. Let's look at a real-world situation. A driver notices their car struggles to accelerate on the highway. At first, they assume the transmission is failing. Then, the check engine light appears. A mechanic inspects the vehicle and finds low fuel pressure. The fuel pump seems fine, but the fuel filter hasn't been replaced in over 100,000 miles. After installing a new filter, the car runs perfectly again. What seemed like a major repair turned out to be a simple maintenance issue. Preventing fuel filter problems. The best way to avoid clogged fuel filter problems is simple: regular maintenance. Most manufacturers recommend replacing the fuel filter every 20,000 to 40,000 miles on older vehicles or around 60,000 miles on newer models. Using high-quality fuel can also reduce contamination, and keeping the fuel tank at least a quarter full helps minimize sediment intake. These small habits can extend the life of your entire fuel system. Let's quickly recap what we learned. A fuel filter protects your engine by removing dirt and debris from gasoline. Final thoughts. But over time, those contaminants can clog the filter. When that happens, the engine struggles to receive enough fuel. This can cause symptoms like loss of power, engine hesitation, misfires, hard starting, and even sudden stalling. Fortunately, diagnosing a clogged fuel filter isn't complicated. By paying attention to symptoms, checking fuel pressure, and inspecting the filter, you can often identify the problem early. And in many cases, replacing the filter is a quick and inexpensive fix. Ignoring it, however, could lead to expensive damage to the fuel pump or injectors, so that small filter plays a much bigger role than most people realize. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. It helps more car owners learn how to diagnose problems before they become expensive repairs. And if you enjoy simple, practical car knowledge like this, subscribe to the channel. We post new automotive guides every week that can save you time, money, and frustration. And before you go, check out our next video on how to tell if your fuel pump is failing, because sometimes the symptoms look very similar, but the fix is completely different. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.